Hi. My long lost... No, kidding, guys. Okay, here we go. So you can tell I got a big, huge hole. Well, not literally. Don't take that the wrong way.
Wow.
I just realized what I said.
Well, I don't know. He had some fun. What was that, Sunday night? We don't know.
So, it is wiring time again. So we are wiring everything. I need to do a little bit of rearranging with the sockets so that I only light up the proper ones. And I'm in the process, I'll show you guys in a little bit, we'll do another video in a couple of minutes. I'm gonna make a quick harness to check the clock.
Hey, did you clean this?
Yeah, cleaned, scrubbed. I don't know if I want to polish it, but I just want it to look nicer.
Yeah.
That's all I'm doing. I don't want to take away from the appeal or the vintage. I just want it to look nicer. That's it. Mm-hmm. So if it works, it'll be my crowning achievement for this dashboard, in my opinion, to get the factory clock working again. If it works, I guarantee you I'm going to be screaming like a little schoolgirl. There is no doubt in my mind.
I'm pretty sure he already does that, but that's besides the point.
Hey, Bernsey! Bafangu! And yes, that's Italian.
See?
You figure out what it means.
Oh,
I'm sure you can figure it out. You're not, yeah, something along those lines. So, with this one being out, I'll start running my harnesses and my wires so I can get everything tabbed in and get it grounded out real good so we don't have any issues. So I have to make a new ground for here so that we have the casing that's good, which takes a couple of minutes, and I'll do a good heat shrink and everything like the rest of them are. So you guys can see that everything gets heat shrinked and soldered. So no, we're good.
We don't want stuff falling apart.
No. Yeah, I can't wait. I can't wait. So, like I said, I have to do a little bit of rearranging because only X amount of this is supposed to light up when you have the lights on. So, I'm going to have to rearrange a couple of bulbs. As you can see, if you look at the back, and then you follow them, this one is for the alternator. This one right here is for the starter. This one is for your town lights. So this is only supposed to come on when your headlights are on. So you know your lights are on. So you have a low beam light, quote, and you have your high beam light, which has already been wired in. And I think, yep, you can see my harnesses going to all the sockets. So I'll do this real quick from Bernsey. You can see all my sockets going to the harnesses. Come on.
Focus.
Focus, Daniel-san, focus. Okay, there we go. That's a little bit better. So you get the idea of that. So that's done. I need to do... Ooh, I forgot something. I'm glad I'm doing this. Like, legitimately, I'm glad I'm doing this. I actually forgot to plug in a wire. How the hell did I do that one? Okay, so that being said, I'll get this one cleaned up. I may pop the glass off because now with the light on it, you can see all the dust inside. And I want to kind of try and get that out a little bit, but I don't know if I want to take that chance. So I may just kind of leave it aside. So if things don't really work, then yeah, I'll disassemble it and we'll do a good cleaning. But I need to make my grounds and I need to make my harness for the clock. I hope this works. Oh my God, I hope this works. This will be so cool. Yes. Okay, well on that note, ladies and gentlemen, I will do an update video in a little bit once we have that plugged in, because I have and have had did I put it behind me? Where did I put that? Is it all in the cart? That single one-wire bulb? Thank you. I put it aside because I couldn't see all the way up into the dash, and this one is at the top of the sockets for the town lights. So it's got a new bulb in it. I'll get this one set. This one will go into its own little harness, and I'll tap that into the headlights. So when the headlights go on, this will light up. So it'll let you know your headlights are on, which is really cool. So on that note, ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to run me some wires and check a clock.